Welcome back to Motor Reviews. Today, we're learning the basics of motorcycle maintenance with a simple step-by-step guide that every rider should know. Before you start, gather the essential tools like wrenches, screwdrivers, a torque wrench, chain cleaner, engine oil, and safety gloves. Always inspect your bike by checking the tires, brakes, oil level, lights, and chain condition. Next, change the engine oil and replace the oil filter to keep the engine running smoothly. Clean and lubricate the chain to reduce wear and improve performance. Then inspect the air filter, brake pads, battery, and spark plugs to make sure everything is in top condition. Don't forget to check the tire pressure and coolant level if your motorcycle is liquid-cooled. Once all the maintenance is complete, start the engine, listen for any unusual sounds, and take a short test ride to ensure everything works perfectly. Regular maintenance not only extends your motorcycle's life, but also keeps every ride safer and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride safe.